guys, it's Mariam. So today's video is in collaboration with two of my best friends, Ali and Victoria. This year we decided to do a little not so secret Santa Christmas gift exchange, which I am so excited about. Obviously the girls aren't here with me today to film a video together in person because of everything that is going on with COVID. So instead we pretty much figured out who was going to shop for who, and obviously since there's only 3 of us in this gift exchange, it is obviously no secret who shopped for who. Basically Ali shopped for me, and this is the package that just arrived today, which I am so excited to unbox because Ali and I literally are the same person. So I feel like whatever she gets me I'm going to love because she just knows me so well. And I shopped for Victoria, so if you guys want to see what I got her, go check out her video. And then Victoria shopped for Ali, so I will have their videos as well as their channels linked down below so you guys can go check them out and subscribe, give them some love. And yeah, with that all being said, let's just jump right into the video. So this is the package that I got from Ali. Honestly, this unboxing feels so weird because I feel like I need the girls here with me and we need to be reacting to each other's gifts and stuff. And also because Ali and I actually did a gift swap last year and that was so entertaining and so much fun. So I really wish the girls were here with me to do the unboxing, but we got to be COVID safe. Oh my god, bless. Here's a little sneak peek. Ali has wrapped everything up. Honestly, the amount of effort that she goes through, snaps for her, because now I actually feel so bad because I didn't wrap any of the presents because I literally just like online shopped and mailed it directly to Victoria's house instead of actually like wrapping it up and putting it in a box and like mailing it out. And she's also popped a little card at the front. Honestly, the level of extra we love. This is the card that she got me. It's green, of course, Ali's signature color, and the card just reads, "Dear Mariam, Merry Christmas. So sad that we couldn't catch up for this year's gift swap, but still had so much fun shopping for you. I hope you love it all. Love from Ali Lamb." Thank you. I'm going to have this little card sitting right here next to my little reindeers so you guys can see that right here. But yeah, last year's gift swap that Ali and I did was so much fun, and we knew we had to do it this year, and we had to involve Victoria in it as well because we're pretty much like the 3 musketeers, so we had to do a 3-way gift swap, and I'm just so excited. So yeah, now let's open this and see what she got me. Oh my god, I literally thought it was just gonna be like in a box, but no, she actually just like wrapped everything else that was actually in it as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she literally wrapped every single present exactly like we did the gift swap last year. And she's also added cute little notes on here as well, which I absolutely love. So of course I'm going to be reading every single one of these and unboxing them. Okay, so the first thing she got me, I have never seen this before, but they are milk chocolate filled reindeers and noses. This is actually so cute. So they're just milk chocolate and they've got some reindeers on them, and then we have these little red balls which are like Rudolph's nose, which is so cute. Love that. I am actually gonna try this right now because I'm craving chocolate, so I'm gonna eat one of the Rudolph's red noses if I can open it. Also, this would actually be so good for my Christmas Instagram photos because I am doing like a 25 days of Christmas over on Instagram, which if you guys don't know, make sure you go follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on that. I've been posting a ton of Christmassy related content over there, as well as Instagram story templates, reels, all that kind of stuff. But I'm just trying Rudolph's nose now and seeing how this tastes. Oh my god, this is so good. What the heck? That was like so creamy. It was soft, it was gooey, it was nice. Ali, where did you get this? Because I want more of this, and also these are really good stocking stuffers. And she also got me, I think this is more chocolate, yeah, milk chocolate popping puddings. This is interesting. These kind of look like those Christmas baubles and they've got like holly on them. I think this is holly, I'm not actually 100% sure, but these look so cool. They're very Christmassy and it's popping puddings, which I've never heard of. Next thing I'm gonna open, I'll open this one. So this says, "I got you a big version of this last year." Now I'm trying to think, what did she get me last year that was like big? Can't remember. Apparently she got me a big version of this last year and I'm trying to figure out what it is, but I have no idea what it is. Also, Ali, oh my god, you literally use so much sticky tape on the wrapping. My nail actually like bent. Jeez, is Is this mini Nutella? Oh my god, I think it is. Oh my god, it's so cute. I am shocked that you even remember what you got me last year, because I don't even remember what I got you last year. So she just got me this cute little mini Nutella. I am actually so obsessed. I love hazelnut spreads, especially Nutella. Nutella is obviously my favorite because it's iconic, but oh my god, this is so adorable. I actually love it. So next thing she got me, it says for your collection. So I don't know why, but I'm gonna guess, as soon as I saw for your collection, I just automatically guessed hand sanitizer. So I'm going to see if I'm actually correct, because we have this ongoing joke in our group about hand sanitizer and how I'm obsessed with hand sanitizers. So I'm actually thinking this is gonna be hand sanitizer. This video is just gonna be Mariam struggling to open Ali's presents for like 20 minutes straight. Where are my scissors? Oh my god, I knew it. I literally said it was gonna be hand sanitizer, and it is. She got me a Dettol hand sanitizer. We love having a friend who is making sure you're COVID safe. This is gonna be my new car hand sanitizer, so thank you for the hand sanitizer. It'll go perfectly with my little hand sanitizer collection. The next thing she got me says, please wear this. It's something I can wear. Oh my god, I just see like red, white and green, and I'm like, oh my god, this is a cute little Christmas hair clip. So flipping cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This again is gonna be so perfect for my Christmas Instagram content. I definitely need to get a photo with this. I think I'm gonna actually put this on right now because she said please wear this. So I'm just using my viewfinder. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much. I love the little bow. It's super girly, it's very me, and it's very Christmassy, and it's gonna go so perfectly with my Christmas Instagram. Next thing that she got me says for your tree. Assuming it must be a Christmas decor ornament, so very keen. Actually, I'm getting much better at opening these presents now. Ooh. Look at how adorable this little silver star is, and it goes so perfectly with my tree, because if you guys can tell, my tree is very much a pink, silver, gold aesthetic, so this is going to go perfectly on the tree. I'm actually going to find a spot on my tree for the ornament. So I just popped the star on the tree. I will pop a little clip here to show you guys where I popped the little star. It blends in so well with my tree because it fits my aesthetic really well. But continuing on with unboxing the presents that she got me. The next present that she got me says, these were too cute, I couldn't not. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So she got me some earrings, and these are so gorgeous. They're silver. So we've got some hoops, and we also have some studs. I think my favorite one has to be these ones because it's got like a little bit of a jewel on there, and it's just so pretty. Next thing we have is actually from her jewelry business, because it says something from my SI Christmas collections. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. I will leave Ali's jewelry shop link down below so you guys can go check out her business. But I'm excited to see what she made me. Got some tissue paper. Oh, I think this is gold. These are adorable. Basically, I have gotten a pair of earrings. They're gold earrings, and they've got little dangly stars on them. I'll show you one. This is what the earring looks like. It is so adorable. I just love the little dangly star. It's so perfect for Christmas, and they're just so cute. I love it. Thank you so much. So the next thing that she got me says, so you can represent your house. This would be embarrassing if I got it wrong. I definitely know these are a pair of socks because I can feel that it's socks, which I'm excited about because I love getting socks for Christmas, especially like fuzzy socks. And since it does say representing your house, I'm going to assume that this is actually something Harry Potter related. So this is going to be really interesting because Ali has never watched Harry Potter before, so I'm interested to see if she's actually got it right. So excited. Oh my god, she got it right. She actually got it right. I love the fact that she's actually never watched Harry Potter before, but she knows what my Hogwarts house is. That's true friendship. So she got me some Ravenclaw novelty socks. It is so freaking cute. I actually have a pair of Ravenclaw socks that I got for Christmas last year from my mom, and I wear that all the freaking time. I actually have two pairs pairs of Ravenclaw socks because I'm obsessed. So I'm so excited that I can have this one added onto my collection as well, because I don't own this one. So I am so excited about this. I love this so much. Anything like Harry Potter related, Harry Potter merch, Harry Potter anything, I'm obsessed with. So I'm so happy. Next thing she got me is also Harry Potter related because it says Expelliarmus on it, which I'm actually shocked she even knows a Harry Potter spell, so I'm impressed. But I'm gonna assume this is gonna be a wand because like I can literally like see the outline of it and it looks like an outline of a wand. Let's have a look and see if I guessed it correctly. It's a wand pen. I saw the back of it and it said wand pen and I was like, oh, I have never seen this before, but it is a wand pen. That is the coolest thing ever. I've got to open this up because like I want to see how this actually works. So this is what the wand pen looks like. I just took it out of the packaging because I have no patience and I wanted to see what it looks like and actually hold it. It's actually so cool. So basically you open it up and then this is the actual pen and this is pretty much like the pen lid. That is so cool. I have never seen a wand pen before and I didn't even know these were a thing. Next thing she got me, I can straight away tell it is a book. I'm assuming it's gonna be a notebook and it just says Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. So I'm gonna assume this is Cinderella themed. I don't know what your favorite Disney princess is, so I went for Cinderella. Honestly, I do love Cinderella. I mean, it is a classic. I love all the Cinderella remakes. It's like an illustrated version of Cinderella as well on the notebook. How cool is that? Honestly, I love all of the Disney princesses, so I am so happy with this. This is gonna be so perfect for when I start my 2021 journal because I really need to get back into journaling, and now that I have a new notebook, I'm hoping it inspires me to get back into journaling. I'm obsessed with this illustration. It is so gorgeous. Like, what the heck? And we just have one more present left and it says gave me insta baddie vibes. In other words, please film an insta baddie photo shoot. Was also just too cute. Ooh, insta baddie vibes. I'm excited. All right, let's see what it is. It's a handbag. Is it a shoulder bag? Because this is on my Christmas wish list. It is. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. One of the things that I wanted was a shoulder bag, specifically a black one, because I already have a white and a pink one, but I really wanted a black one because I think they just go with everything. I finally have one, and this one has a little silver chain on it as well, which adds a little something which we love. Thank you so much, Ali. I'm going to be wearing this with pretty much every single outfit, taking so many Instagram photos with this, you already know. So I was just finishing up and I realized that I actually forgot one present, so I thought I would just quickly unbox this one as well. And the little note just says, you got me something similar last year. So interesting to see what this one is then. It's hair clips. Oh my god, this is actually like so similar to the one that I got Ali. So Ali got me a little pearl hair clip. How cute. If you guys watched our gift swap last year, you guys would have seen that I got her a pearl hair clip as well. I got her a green one because green is her favorite color, and this year she's actually got me a white hair clip, which is so cute. I love hair clips, so I'm so excited to be wearing this. Plus it looks so like a vintage vibe. So that was my little unboxing of what Ali got me for Christmas. I am just so happy with everything I got. I love everything that I received. There were some things that were actually on my Christmas wish list, and the other things that I got were actually things that I would definitely buy for myself as well. So Ali did an amazing job. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, Ali knows me pretty well. Our styles are very similar, so it's literally like we're shopping for ourselves but for each other. So thank you so much to Ali for getting me these goodies. I am so excited to be using them. I'm excited to be eating the chocolate, taking some Instagram photos with some of the things that you got me. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and also make sure you go check out Ali and Victoria's videos as well as part of this collab. I will have their videos linked down below as well as their channels, so you guys can go subscribe, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram and also follow the girls' Instagram as well. I'll leave their Instagrams down below as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!